I'm Jo from UK Wearable Crystals. Welcome to this chakra opening exercise. First of all, you need to get yourself really comfortable. I'm going to talk you through the chakra colours before we begin, but if you just make sure that your feet are firmly on the ground, just because you want to be grounded, and find yourself in a relaxed seated position. So we have 7 main chakras that we're going to be working with, and those chakras are the root chakra, which sits 1 inch below the pubic area, and this is a vibrant fire engine red. Then we have the sacral chakra, which is a Jaffa orange and sits below the belly button and above the root chakra. Then we move on to the solar plexus, which is a beautiful bright yellow, and that sits just above the belly button. Next we have the heart chakra, which is a Granny Smith apple colour, beautiful green, and that sits where the breastbone is. Next we go on to the throat chakra, which is a light blue, the colour of the sky. And then we move on to the third eye chakra, and the third eye is between your eyebrows. And then lastly we have the crown chakra, which is 1 inch above the top of your head, and this is a beautiful violet colour. So as long as you've got your feet on the ground and you're sitting comfortably, we'll begin the meditation. First of all, I invite you to take some deep breaths. These deep breaths should come from the stomach area. If you find it helpful, you can put your hand on your tummy and just push out your tummy as you breathe in. So you want some nice deep breaths in and out, in and out, in and out. And with every breath you take, you begin to relax into the seat you're sitting on. The more breaths you take, the more relaxed you feel. Letting go of anything that is troubling you in this moment. Any thoughts, just let them go as they come up. Keep breathing, noticing and focusing on your breath. Take time to notice how that feels in your body. Where do you feel that? How does that feel? There's no rush. This time is for you, so you may as well enjoy it. Keep breathing and relaxing even more now than before. Focusing on your feet on the ground, imagining roots coming from your feet, going through every layer beneath you, deep down, further and further. The roots reach the core of the earth as they wrap themselves around to keep you grounded, help you feel safe and secure in this space. Those roots are going wide and deep, really anchoring you to the place you're in right now, feeling safe, relaxed and calm. Just noticing how your body is in this moment. You're breathing, relaxing with every breath you take. Breathing in, I am. Breathing out, relaxed. Breathing in, I breathing out, relaxed. As we move to the root chakra, imagine a beautiful flower opening up as wide as it can go, and this beautiful red emerging from the flower, aimed downwards towards your root, fills up that space. Just notice how that feels. Pay attention to the colour. Just sit with that for a few seconds. Breathing in, breathing out, moving up to your sacral chakra. Open up this beautiful bright orange. You see the beautiful orange emerging from the flower in front of you, to the left and to the right of you, and also behind you, so it encompasses your whole body. Just pay attention to the colour, pay attention to how it feels to you. Make any adjustments you feel you need. Maybe make it bigger still. Breathing, relaxing any tensions out of your body, noticing that orange. As we move up slowly to the solar plexus above the belly button, open this beautiful bright yellow flower, seeing the yellow emerging from the centre of the flower outwards in front of you, to the left, to the right and behind you, encompassing the whole of your body. You just sit for a moment and pay attention to that yellow. Notice its colour, its vibrancy. Notice how it feels to you in your body. And breathe. And as we move up now to the heart chakra, which is by your breastbone, open this flower. It's a beautiful bright green. As it opens, you see the green emerging in front of you, to the left, to the right and behind you. And breathe, relaxing even more. As you notice beautiful green all around you, and do what you need to do to enhance that colour, or notice the colour it is. Take a moment now just to sit with that. As we move up to the throat chakra, this is the light blue colour. Imagine that flower opening up wide and seeing that beautiful sky blue colour emerging from the centre of the flower in front of you, to the left, to the right and behind you. Again, noticing anything you need to notice, feeling what you need to feel, and breathe, sitting in that beautiful blue sky blue. Now we move up to the third eye chakra, which is between your eyebrows, opening up that nice third eye chakra so you can see. Make it wide, see that beautiful indigo colour emerging from the centre of the flower. In front of you, to the left, to the right and behind you. And breathe as you feel even more relaxed. Notice what you notice from your third eye. Take a moment now. As we move on now through to the crown chakra, which sits 1 inch above your head, open up that beautiful violet flower. Open it up nice and wide and see that beautiful violet colour emerging from the centre, directly straight up to connect to spirit. Make it wide, do what you need to do, and notice what you notice. And breathe and relax. As you start being aware of your breath and only your breath, pay attention to all of your chakras as a whole, how they feel, how they look, and anything else. Sit with that for a moment. Now, as you become aware of my voice, pay attention to the feet you have placed on the ground. Wiggle your toes. Start to take some deeper breaths in. Wiggle your fingers. Start to become aware of the room, the seat you're sat on, bringing your awareness back into the room, following my voice, becoming more and more awake as you listen to my voice. Start to make any other movements. When you're ready, and only when you're ready, open your eyes and return to the space.